Hey guys, it's your girl Monae, and if you want to see how I did this white butterfly look, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, so I'm just going to start off with my Pure Soak It Up moisturizer, and then I'm going to throw on some chapstick because I can't be out here looking dry. Okay, so I'm going to start off doing my eyebrows. I'm not really going to go into detail with that, but I will link a video above if you want to see how I do mine. Okay, so I actually mixed LA Girl Pro Concealers in the color Toffee and Natural to create a lighter color to make my eyeshadow pop more. If you have an eyeshadow primer, you can use that instead. Either way, it works. So now you just want to blend all of that out, and I've seen some people use like setting powder to set it. I'm not doing all of that, but if you want to, you can. So now I'm using some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee to cover up any dark marks or hyperpigmentation. I'm not really going to go into detail with this either, but I will link another video up above on how I do a full face. For this look, we'll be using Magenta and Pink from the Box of Crayons palette. So I'm using an angled brush to put the magenta on, and I'm just blending it all across my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with the pink, and you want to make sure you get like a lot on it so that it's nice and bright for the look. So now I'm going to put some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural in the center of my eye, and then blend that out on both sides, just so that I can put the pink in the middle and you can see it more. Okay, so now you just want to follow the line that the angled brush made with the white liner, and then go across the top. You're not going to go all the way across the top, but like halfway. And then you just want to fill it in and start creating lines, and keep the image of a butterfly in your head. So now we're going to add a circle of magenta and outline it with the white liner, and then add some detail. guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and also subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And also comment below and let me know how I did, okay? And also if you recreate this look,